Is Windows DRM Client legacy? Pathing failed due to the DRM Client Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To start our troubleshooting for DRM Client Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the DRM Client Library, the Windows Media Digital Rights Management DRM client. It manages the localized verification of licenses for protected .wmv and .wma files. It facilitates the secure localized decryption of media content within Windows Media Player. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. To properly restore DRM Client Library DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DRM Client Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of DRM Client Library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for DRM Client Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got DRM Client Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.